Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nabihah binti Nazrin from class 2 Mawardi and my college number is PB201130. So today our main topic is balanced diet. What is balanced diet? Balanced diet is a diet that contains all of the food classes in the right quantities required by our body. To know more about balanced diet, I interviewed few of my family members. Let's check out their answers.
Hi, my name is Nabihah binti Muhamad Nazrin and I am 22 years old. I am a student in USM Penang, majoring in English for professionals, minoring in the French language. I am 1.58 meters tall and 48 kilograms.
Hi, my name is Nabihah binti Muhamad Nazrin and I'm 20 years old and I'm a student in UNIKN Niat, majoring in avionic maintenance, and my current height is 160 centimeters and my weight is 65 kilograms.
In my opinion, a balanced diet is when your meal, one particular meal, has the recommended amount of the things inside the food pyramid, which is your carbs, your protein, your fat, and so on.
In my opinion, balanced diet is the intake of our daily meals that consists a particular count of fats, minerals, carbohydrates, protein, and some other good stuff.
What you can do to keep yourself healthy, one is of course to have a balanced, healthy meal every single day. And secondly, you also need to get enough sleep, which is 8 hours per day. So why do you need to live a healthy lifestyle? Is so that you can live a long life.
First of all, as we know, we must exercise regularly to make sure our body healthy. We must at least exercise 30 minutes a day or 2 to 3 days per week to make our body healthy. And why? Because we must keep our body active to fight all of the disease that we could easily be infected to.
In conclusion, we need a balanced diet in our daily life. We need to cut our intake of unhealthy food like salty food, sweet things, and oily food because it is not healthy for our body and it will leave a cause in the future. I want to say thank you to all persons who are involved in the making of this video. Don't forget to like and leave a comment. Thank you!